Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations, exercise number 2, question number 9. So very interesting question. In a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was 1600, how many boys were there in class? So the question is very simple and very easy, interesting. So in a class of 60 students, so total students is total 60 students are there in the classroom. He was saying the condition that boys contribute money equal to the number of girls. Boys, sorry, once again, total students of a classroom is nothing but 60, and he was saying the condition that boys contribute rupees equal to the number of girls. Girls contribute the rupees equal to the number of boys. So first you see here, let the number of boys, let the number of boys in the classroom be x. So in the classroom there are x number of boys are there. So now number of girls, how much? Is nothing but 60 minus x. If you subtract boys from the total class, you will get the number of girls. So that is nothing but 60 minus x. So he was saying that, okay, so this is boys, this is girls. So how many boys are there? X boys are there. How many girls are there? 60 minus x. So they are saying that each boy will contribute a money that is equal to the number of girls. So 60 minus x. Each girl will contribute a money that is equal to number of boys. So this is the strength. This is the money they given. So each boy he was given 60 minus x rupees. Each girl she was given x rupees. So total money how much given by boys? That is nothing but x into 60 minus x. 60 minus x into x here. So this is the total money given by boys. This is the total money given by girls. So total they have given 1600 rupees. If you add both you will get it 1600 rupees. So now we will solve the question. So here according to the question, each boy is contributed a money that is equal to number of girls. So x into 60 minus x plus each girl contributed a money that is equal to the number of boys. Total money they have contributed 1600 rupees. So now multiply x into 60 is nothing but 60x, plus into minus is minus x square. 60 into x is nothing but 60x, minus x into x is nothing but x square, that is equal to 1600. So minus x square minus x square, adding these two minus 2x square you will get it. 60x plus 60x, it is 120x, that is equal to 1600 here. So now we see here, now we bring this 1600 to left side. 2x square plus 120x minus 1600. that is equal to 0. So here you take 2 common, minus 1x square, this is nothing but 60x minus 800 equal to 0. I hope you understood this step. I am taking 2 common here. 2 is writing outside, 1 will be here. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. 2 into 60 is nothing but 120. 2 into 800 is nothing but 1600. So finally you send this 2 to right side, minus 1x square plus 60x minus 800, 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 again. Okay, so finally we left with minus x square, 60x minus 800. Resolve into factors. We can use factorization method or formula method. So I am using formula method here. So that is nothing but x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a formula method. So it is in standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a value is nothing but minus 1, b value is nothing but 60, c value is nothing but minus 800. Now we substitute in the formula, minus 60 plus or minus, so 60 square this is, minus 4 into, okay, a is nothing but minus 1, c is nothing but minus 800 by 2a, 2 into minus 1. So now we simplify here. X is equal to minus 60 plus or minus under root 60 square is nothing but 3600, minus into minus into minus, you will get minus here, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is again minus, 4 8s are 32, so 3200 here, by in the denominator 2 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, what I am getting here, x is equal to minus 60 plus or minus 3600 minus 3200, it is nothing but 400 by minus 2, minus 60 plus or minus 400 is nothing but 20 square by minus 2, square and root gets cancelled, x is equal to minus 60 plus or minus 20 by 2. So one time you take plus 20, another time you take minus 20. So this is by minus 2. Minus 60 plus 20 is nothing but minus 40 by minus 2. Here I am getting minus 60 minus 20 is nothing but minus 80 by minus 2. Minus minus is going to cancel, 2 ones are 220 times. Minus minus is going to cancel, 2 one time 240 times. So here we are having two answers. One is x is equal to 20, one is x is equal to 40. If the number of boys are 20, the girls will be 40. If the number of boys are 40, the girls will be 20. So this is the answer. For example, In a classroom, 20 boys are there. What is the girl's strength? Boys is X. Girls is 60 minus X. So 60 minus 20, that is nothing but 40 girls will be there. Or another way of possibility, number of boys are 40, girls will be 60 minus X. So that is 60 minus 40, 20 girls will be there. Two answers are there. So boys strength may be 20, girls will be 40, or girls will be 20, boys will be 40. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.